I wouldn't, ever, because what's going to make you potentially intoxicated or over the limit is different from person to person. Depends on your age, your sex, your weight, whether you've eaten or not recently, whether you've slept recently, whether you've had any food recently. There's a whole different bunch of factors which all combine together to result in you being maybe over the limit or not. A pint of beer for one guy who's used to drinking a lot mightn't put him over the limit, but a pint of beer for someone else who doesn't drink that often and who's tired and hasn't eaten in a while might. So there's no scientific rule. It's very, very much case by case. Well, people want to know that obviously you know what you're doing. That's very important. But they also want to know whether or not you believe in what you're saying. That's very important too. I've often found that when I'm talking to people, they'll ask me what I think, and they'll look at me very intently in the eyes to see whether or not I believe what I'm saying. So it's important that you do tell them whether you think they have a case or whether they don't. If they do, I'll tell them. If they don't, I'll tell them as well. The other way that people are frequently arrested for drink driving is where they're pulled over at the side of the road and the guards say that they observed them perhaps driving erratically. The guards are not allowed under the law to stop you just because they want to stop you. They can't do that. You know, you have to be doing something demonstrable for them to pull you over. So you must be driving with no lights on, not using an indicator, speeding, holding a mobile phone, or whatever it is. You must be breaking the law in some way for them to pull you over. They can't just go eeny, meeny, miny, mo, pull that person over. So oftentimes when it comes to these kinds of cases, it comes down to whether they were authorized under law to stop you or not.